Let us try to find the rank of a 4 cross 4 matrix, right? So suppose the example is like this: A is equal to, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, or this one we say 2. Next 4, 3, 2, 1, right? This number is, right, 3, right, 1, 0, 1. Suppose this number is 1, right, 2, 1, 1. Now the question is how to find the rank of this 4 cross 4 matrix. The procedure, as I have told you, very simple, right? Now what you are doing is you are reducing this 4, this 3 and this 1 to 0 in the first step. The procedure is, which element you are reducing? 4. In which column it is? It is in R. 4. It is in R. Suppose from this 2 if you are reducing to this 2. Now you know this fundamental. This is R1, this is R2, this is R3, this is R4. Right? Now this 4 it is in R2, this 2 it is in R1. Now make it equal. That means multiply by 2. This also should be multiplied by 2. Right? So the row operation is the next step I am writing. Right? Observe. This 2, 2, 3, 4, write that as it is. This R2 is modified as R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2R1. Now let us calculate what is R2 minus 2R1 by using the elements of R1 and R2. So got it. Very important point is how to write this row operation. 4, it is in R2. 4, it is in R2. From which element? From 2. 2, it is in R1. This is R1 row, R2 row, R3 row, R4 row. Make it equal, means multiply by 2. 2 into 2, 4. So this also should be multiplied. So the row operation is R2 minus 2R1. So naturally this 4 becomes 0. Now what is R2? R2 is 3. 3 minus 2 into R1. 2 into, what is R1? R1 is 2. 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Next, what is R2? R2 is 2. 2 minus 2 into, what is R1? R1 is 3. 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is minus 4, isn't it? What is R2? 2. 2 minus 2 into, this 2 into R1. What is R1? 3. 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. In the same way, what is R2? R2 is 1. 1 minus 2 into R1. What is R1? 4. 1 minus 8, that is minus 7. Now suppose if I multiply every element by minus, this becomes plus 1, this becomes plus 4, this becomes plus 7. Okay. Now let us go to this one. R3, I have to reduce it to 0. This 3 I should reduce it to 0. So I will write the 3 here. 3 here. Now suppose this 3 is to be reduced from 2. Right? This 3, the element 3, it is in R3. Okay, fine. The element 3, it is in R3. From which element? Say from 2. 2, it is in R1. Make it equal. How to make it equal? Multiply this. 3 is not multiple of 2. So what you are doing? 2 is multiplied by 3. When you multiply 2 by 3, so this R1 should be multiplied by 3. This 3, that also should be multiplied by this 2. So 3 into 2. So therefore, here also 2. So the row operation is this R3 goes to 2R3 minus 3R1. So this is the row operation. So now observe, this 3 I am reducing it to 0. 2 into 3 minus 3 into R1. What is R1? 2. So 6 minus 6, 0. What is the next element? 2 into R3. R3 is 1 minus 3 into R1, what is R1? 2. 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. 2 into, what is R3? R3 is 1. Minus 3 into R2, what is R2? Minus 3 into, other 2 into R3. R3 is 1. 2 into 1 minus 3 into R1, what is R1? 2. 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. Next, 2 into, what is R3? R3 is 0 minus 3 into R1, what is R1? 3. 2 into R3 is 0 minus 3 into R1 is 3. So this is minus 9. I am writing that. Next, coming to this, 2 into, what is R3? R3 is 1 minus 3 into R1, 3 into 4, that is 2 into, what is R3? R3 is 1 minus 3 into, what is R3 is 1 minus 3 into R1, what is R1? 4. So 2 minus 12, 2 minus 12 means minus 10. So this element 3 is reduced to 0. Now I am reducing this 1. Where is 1? R4. I will write that here. The 1, it is in R4. This 1, I want to reduce it from 2. 2, it is in R1. So make it equal this, multiply this by 2. So this also should be multiplied by 2. So the operation is 2R4 minus R1. 2R4 minus R1. So by this row operation, automatically when once you write, this becomes 0, 2 into, what is R4? Again, 2 into 1 minus R1, 2 minus 2, that is 0. Next number, 2 into R4, 2 into 2 minus R1, 2, 4 minus 2, 2. 2 into R4, 2 minus R1, 2. So 4 minus 2, 2. Next, 2 into, what is R4? R4 is 1 minus R1, R1 is 3. Another point, 2 into, what is R4? R4 is 1, right? Minus R1, 3, 2 minus 3, minus 1, right? Next, 2 into R4, 2 minus R1, minus 4, 2 minus 4, minus 2. So this is what you have. Now, suppose, so first step means these three elements should be reduced to 0. Now suppose if I don't want to take one more step. If I multiply by minus, this minus will become plus. Okay, I will take one more step. What is the element? This will become plus. So 2, 3, 4. This is 0. This minus, when you multiply by minus, this becomes plus. This also becomes plus. This becomes plus 7. Right? This is 0. This becomes plus 4. This becomes plus 9. This becomes plus 10. Now, if you want, you can also multiply this by 2 or keep that as it is, no problem, right? Because here it is not, here it is not minus. So this is the matrix now you have. Now, what I have to do is, I have to reduce the first row as it is, second row first element is 0, third row first two elements should be reduced to 0. I mean, this or here, I can say. Okay, write the fourth row as it is 0, 2, minus 1, minus 2. So in the next step, what I am doing, over here, in the next step, what I am doing is, I have to reduce the second row first element is 0, fine. What is the procedure? I have told you already in the previous classes, first row don't alter, second row first element should be 0, that is fine. Third row first two element should be 0. That means in the next step, I am reducing this 4 to 0. Now, how to reduce 4 to 0? 4. 4. It is in which row? It is in R3. 4. It is in R3. From which element? From 1. From 1. Where it is? It is in R2. Note the point. Note the important point. Behind 4, 1, 0. Behind 1, 1, 0. So I have to make use of these two elements only. Similarly, behind 4, 0. Behind the 2, 0. Or you can make use of these two. But you cannot make use of 4 and 2. Observe the important one. You cannot make use of this 4 and 2. Because behind 4, 1, 0. Behind 2, there is no 0. you cannot make use of 4 and 2. You can make use of 4 and 1, or you can make use of 4 and 2. Now I have selected 4 and 1. 4 and 1 is I am selecting 4 it is in R3, 1 it is in R2. So what I do? Multiply by 4. So therefore this is also multiplied by 4. So the row operation is R3 minus 4R2. So in the next step what I am writing? 2, 2, 3, 4. Write that as it is 2, 2, 3, 4. Second row first as it is you are writing 0, 1, 0, 1, 4, 7. Write that as it is. Third row it is reduced by the row operation. Here I am writing the third row operation. It is like this. R3, right? What is the third row operation? R3 going to R3 minus 4R2. So by that row operation, this is 0. This element naturally becomes 0. What is R3? R3 is 9 minus 4 into R2. R2 is 4. 9 minus 16. 9 minus 16 means minus 7. Next, this one, R3 is 10. 10 minus 4R2. 4 into 7. 20. R3 is 10. 10 minus 4 into 7. 10 minus 28. 10 minus 28 means minus 80. So therefore, this way, this third row, second element, that has also become 0. So, if you want, you can write it here also. R3 going to R3 minus 4 R2. There also you can write. I am just seeing whether it is visible for you or not. That's all. Right. So now, coming to this one, fourth row. Fourth row, first 3 elements should be 0. Now let us reduce this 2 to 0. Here, observe, this 2 I want to reduce it to 0. So I am circling this 2. So this 2 to reduce 0, 2, where it is? It is in R4. 2 it is in R4. From which element? From 1 R4. Because behind 2 1 0 is there. Behind 1 1 0 is there. Behind 1 1 0 is there. Behind 2 1 0 is there. So therefore this 2 and 1 you can select 2 and 1. 1 it is in which row? 1 it is in R2. I want to reduce 2 to 0. So therefore I have written 2 as under R4. 2 it is in R4. 1. Where 1? 1 it is in R2. Now make it equal. Multiply by 2. So therefore here also it is multiplied by 2. So the row operation is R4 minus 2 R2. So therefore this R4, here I will write R4, it is visible, you see it. R4 is written as R4 minus 2 R2, right? Or here I am showing that R4 as R2. So this becomes 0, this second element becomes 0. What is R4? R4 is minus 1 minus 2 R2, 2 into R2, 4. Minus 1 minus 8, that is minus 9. R4 minus 2 R2. R4 2 minus 2 into, right, R2. 2 minus 2, that is 0. Next, coming to this R4. What is R4? Minus 1 minus 2 into R2. What is R2? 4. Minus 1 minus 8, that is minus 9. Next, what is that? R4 minus 2 R2. What is R4? Minus 2, right? Minus 2 into R2. What is R2? 7, right? So minus 2 minus 14 minus 16. So you got minus 16. So the operation is R4 going to R4 minus 2 R2, right? Now, first row no alteration, second row first element should be 0, third row first 2 elements should be 0, fourth row first 3 elements should be 0. 10th row, first 9 elements should be 0. So if I want to reduce minus 9 to 0, before reducing to the 0, so what I do, I write this as 2, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 4, 7. Right? Multiply by minus sign. Multiplying by minus sign means R3 multiplied by minus 1. So 0, 0, this becomes plus 7, this becomes plus 18. Now let us multiply R4 by minus 1, 0, 0, this is 9, this is 16. So what is the next job? I have to, third row second element, second row first element should be 0, third row first two are 0, fourth row first 3 elements, that is this 9 should be reduced to 0, that is the important point. So to reduce 9 to 0, what is the row operation? This 9, where it is? It is in R4. Put up the question. Where is 9? 9 it is in R4. From which element? From 7. From 7 it is in R3. Why you are selecting 9 and 7? Because behind 9, 2 zeros. Behind 9, 2 zeros. Behind 7, 2 zeros are there. Therefore I am selecting. I cannot select 9 and 4 because behind 9, 2 zeros are there. Behind 4, only 1 zero is there. I should select the pair like this 9 and 7 because behind 7, 2 zeros. Behind 9, 2 zeros. So now to make it equal, what I have to do? Multiply this by 7. So 7 R4. 7 should be multiplied by 9. So 9 R3. So the row operation is R4 going to 7 R4 minus 9 R3. So 7 R4, let's make a note, 9 R3. So in the next step I am writing, in the next step I will write, so this will become, first row as it is, 2, 2, 3, 4, second row as it is, 0, 1, 4, 7, third row as it is, 0, 0, 7, 18, right? Fourth row, 0, 0. Now, what is the operation? R4 reduces to 7 R4, 7 R4 minus 9 R3. Now, by this row operation, 7 into R4, what is R4? And you have to observe the previous matrix, isn't it? 7 into, what is R4? 9 minus 9 into R3, what is R3? 7. So, this has become 0. Next, this one, right? This I have to reduce it to 0. Now, how to reduce it to 0? 7 into R4, 7 into 16 minus 9 into R3, what is R3? 18. So what is this? This is not equal to 0, so I can write 7 into 6, 7, see what is that? 7 minus how much? 18 into 9 ಅಥವಾ 180, right? 100 ಕಡೆಗೆ that means 162 plus 18, 162, yes, minus 162. 9 now 112 minus 162, 112 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 0, 6 minus 1, 5, 1, so it will be 50, 112 plus 50, 160, minus 50, so that value is minus 50. So what has happened? Now the first, so given, observe the first matrix, observe this last matrix. First row no alteration, second row first element should be 0, third row first two elements should be 0, fourth row first 3 elements are 0, I am satisfied. 10th row first 9 elements should be 0, 11th row first 10 elements should be 0, 50th row first 49 elements should be 0, so everything is satisfied. Now how is what is rank? Rank is equal to number of, right, non-zero rows, right? How much? First row is non-zero, second row is completely non-zero, third row is not completely non-zero, fourth row is also completely non-zero. So rank is equal to number of log rows, that is 4. So okay, let us stop at this point.